Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, all you handsome boys and the beautiful and gorgeous girls. My name is M.J. Bob, and I welcome you all to Rakshit Gowda and Chaitra's wedding reception.
ಓ ಅರೆ ಅರೆ ಮುದ್ದು ಗಿಣಿ ಮನ್ಸು ಕದ್ದ ಮನ್ಮೋಹಿನಿ ಆಸೆ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ ಕೋಲಾರದ ಹಟ್ಟಿ ಗಣಿ ಕೋಗಿಲೆದೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಧ್ವನಿ ಕಾಳಿದಾಸ ಕಾವ್ಯ ನೀನೇ ನಿನ್ನ ರಾಜ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ರಾಣಿ ನೀನು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣವೇ ನಿನ್ನ ರಾಜ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ರಾಣಿ ನೀನು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣವೇ
ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ದಿವತ್ತು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಡೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೀ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೈತ್ರ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಇವೆಂಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಮ್ ಜೆ ಬಾಬ್ನ ಕರೆಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀ, ಈಸ್ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರೋ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸಂಗೀತು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಬ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ ವಿ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಬೇಗ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ವಿ ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 4 hours 5 hours ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಾಬ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್, ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನಿಂಗ್. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್, ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಬಾಬ್.
Thank you, bro. Yes, thank you very much,
Thanks a lot,
Rakshit Gowda, the handsome hunk. And trust me, Chaitra, you're very blessed to have a husband like him.
Hello, Bob has done an amazing job and it's been really long, but he has been doing a good job by entertaining all of us. So, yeah, thank you, Bob.
Thank you very much, Chaitra. Stay blessed and keep rocking.
Thank you.
MJ Bob. So it's the second time that I'm inviting Bob to the event. Firstly, it was for my wedding, and this is for my brother's wedding. One good thing about Bob is multilingual. He knows multiple languages, and he is somebody who can keep crowd, completely engaged. And he makes sure that he can spot on, create some games, and make us play, and is very jovial and socializing. Come on, that comes by default. So it is really nice. So yeah, overall I loved it. No matter how many events we host, we always invite you. So all the best and thank you so much for coming.
Thank you very much, Rashmi, for choosing me as the host. And special thanks to Mr. Vasu as well. And happy married life. Stay blessed forever. Thank you, Rashmi. Thanks a lot.
MJ Bob, hi. It was after a very long time I got to meet you again. As soon as I entered, I could hear him talk. I mean, who can't? Even the trees and plants can hear you speak. His voice is so good. And we were so excited that MJ Bob is here, and we just came and we saw him already interacting with everyone. I'm like, he's so busy, like he's talking to every person around him. And that's what we really love about you.
Thank you.
That you don't miss a chance to even if it is a cat to speak, I think he's capable of doing that.
Thank you. Really means a lot.
Yeah, so I'm waiting to have you in my wedding. That's
Definitely.
one of the most important, exciting part of my wedding will be having MJ Bob, because I know everybody is going to be having so much fun having him around. I don't even have to care a thing. Like if people are enjoying the moment, I'm sure he's going to make it like a blast.
Certainly. No doubt in that.
So it was one of our close friends' wedding today, and they've always called him. I was also surprised that MJ Bob is not called or what. As soon as I was like, I think so. We were discussing together with the family, and later I got to know, hearing his voice, he is here. Of course, he should be in all our events and all my friends' event as well.
Certainly.
And yeah, it was so lovely to meet you again.
Same
and I hope to see you in many more events and do amazingly well in life, because you deserve it. I've seen you work so hard from so many years, and he really deserves to be in a even more greater position in life. I'm sure I'm going to see that very soon.
Certainly. Reena, thank you very much. Thanks a lot. You are a gorgeous girl.
Thank
Trust me.
you.
And you have a lovely parents
Thank
and an amazing supporting brother.
Yes, definitely.
Keep rocking. It's my promise. Reena, I'm going to rock your wedding. I'm going to nail
can't
it.
wait.
Trust me, I'm going to nail it.
I
All right.
can't wait.
Advance wishes. Stay blessed.
Thank you.
And the boy is very, very lucky to get you in his life.
Thank you so
God bless
much.